Hello brave ones, in this video I will be sharing with you 10 ways to increase your story views on Instagram. Stay till the end of this video for a special surprise which will help you dominate Instagram even more. And without further ado, let us dive straight into the tips. Tip number 1 is utilizing story features for generating more interactions. The more interactions you generate on your Instagram stories, the more Instagram is going to push them to new users. Why? Because story interactions give Instagram information that your story is drawing the engagement of your users. And by drawing the engagement of your users, you are keeping them on the platform, which is one of the core goals of Instagram. That's why make sure you utilize the story stickers right here, which you can see on the screen, in order to generate the most amount of interactions. For example, you can use the question sticker right here in order to do a quick Q&A session with your audience. The more questions people leave in your question sticker, the more Instagram is going to be pushing to potential new viewers. That's why you have to make sure your questions are easy and simple to answer. You can also do interactive posts such as these ones. Because they are so simple to answer, most people do it habitually and they tend to generate a lot of engagement. A quick tip about these Instagram post stickers is that if you can make them really competitive, meaning that the ratio between yes and no is really close, then Instagram is going to be pushing it more because people are on the opposite sides, and that is controversial. When things are controversial, they usually tend to attract more attention. Be creative with your Instagram sticker usage. By doing so, you can find fun ways to utilize these stickers, and by doing so, Instagram is going to promote your content more heavily. The second major tip for increasing your Instagram story views is having and following a consistent posting schedule. By doing so, people can build a habit and they can expect that, for example, Marketing Harry is posting stories every morning as well as every afternoon. That way, subconsciously, when they tune in the Instagram app in the morning, they will go and watch your story. The perfect amount of stories which I recommend you daily is between 3 and 5, which are spread out every 2 hours or so. That way you give Instagram enough time to promote each story and you don't overwhelm your users. The third biggest tip for Instagram stories, especially for the people who use video content on their Instagram stories, is to use subtitles. Most people on Instagram view content on mute, and this isn't different for Instagram stories. And if you can add subtitles, this makes the experience, even for the people who are watching your content on mute, even more interactive. And we remember what we heard about interaction. The more interactions you get, the better your story will perform in terms of views. The apps which I recommend you for adding subtitles on your videos are for iOS Clips, for desktop Kapwing, and for Android Auto Subtitles. If you're enjoying the video thus far, make sure you leave a like, because that helps me and the algorithm immensely. And if you're feeling extra brave, you can also subscribe to this channel, because I will be uploading way more content on helping you dominate social media. The next biggest tip is utilizing stop scroll elements. People are consuming stories one after another. So if you like people to stick around for your story, consume it, and probably engage with it, you need to stop the scroll. This can also happen with certain elements, GIFs, videos, both text and copy. Powerful words such as free, new, hot. The more of these elements which you can utilize in your stories, the more scrolls you will stop. The more scrolls you stop in your stories, the better they will perform for you. The fifth biggest tip for your Instagram story is avoiding dead zones and following the proper placements. Instagram stories are usually cut from above as well as from below. So you have to make sure, especially if you design external templates which you later use in your stories, that you're avoiding the top sides of your Instagram stories as well as the bottom side. On screen you can see right now the guide which I have created for you, which you can utilize when creating your Instagram stories. If you're going to be placing important elements, place them in the zones which the thumb can reach easily. That way you optimize your chances for engagement. The next tip might sound obvious, but a lot of people actually neglect it. You can drive more traffic to your Instagram stories by promoting them on your feed. For example, if you create carousels, you can include a call to action to go check your stories in slide 10. Or if you use single images, you can include the call to action to go check your stories in the first line of your caption as well as at the bottom, because that gives you a nice story views boost in the beginning, and Instagram will promote it if the story is worthwhile. Tip number 7 for generating more story views: place off building a habit with your audience. I want you guys to pick certain GIFs as well as stickers as well as typography styles and only use them in your stories. That way you can build a habit with your audience, and every single time your audience sees a specific GIF which you have been utilizing only in your stories, when they see a specific style of text, they will think of you, and that increases your chances of them sticking around and not just mindlessly scrolling through their stories. By doing so with time and consistency, by utilizing these branded elements, you increase your story views. If you create video content for your stories, you will love the next step. Following an optimized video structure in your stories is a game changer. You only have 15 seconds to deliver a message through video content on your stories, meaning that you have to make sure that the beginning, the middle and the end are all optimized in order to make the most of your time. What I recommend you doing is breaking your video story in 3 main parts. The beginning should have a really strong hook. So the goal of the first few seconds of your stories is to grab the attention of your audience. So you can start by listing a benefit or a pain point if people stick around till the end of your story. Just like in the beginning of this video, I made sure to tell you to stick to the end of this video if you want a surprise. The next part of your story is the middle, in which you should deliver on the value you promised in the beginning. By doing so, you leave a good taste in the mouth of your audience, and they are more likely to come back for more. And at the end, you need to have an engaging and easy to execute call to action. For example, check my profile for more content, or follow the link in my bio in order to receive a specific benefit. By doing so, you close the loop in your stories. In the beginning, you promise some kind of benefit, in the middle, you deliver on that, and at the end, you make sure you give even more value to your audience. If you'd like to get more out of your Instagram stories, then I heavily recommend you creating a weekly content plan. When you think of content ideas for your stories in advance, this allows you to optimize your content better and thus deliver more value. The more value you deliver, well, obviously Instagram will promote you even more. On screen right now, you can see just a few content ideas for your stories which are optimized and will help you drive more story views. Make sure you like this video so you can come back and rewatch these story ideas when you need them. And my final tip for getting more story views is utilizing the right story tools. If you can create a well-looking story for your Instagram profile, this increases your chances of that story getting viewed to the end, as well as generating engagement. The tools which I use for my clients and I recommend you heavily are Module, if you want to create some sick animations, InShot, if you create a lot of video content and you want to edit it to the point with the video structure which I provided you with, as well as a design kit, which is a phenomenal tool which you can utilize in your content in order to make them visually appealing. In the beginning of this video, I promised you a surprise if you want to dominate social media even further. In the first link of the description, you can download my free ebook which will help you do just that. There are tons of templates which you can utilize, as well as 2 recommendations in a package which is all practical and will help you dominate social media and will help you get your roar heard. So what are you waiting for? Go download your free ebook and subscribe to this channel for more ways which you can utilize to crush your competition on social media.